What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you top crypto games for 2024. All top projects can do easily 10 to 100x. And this is part 2 video. If you haven't watched the first one, you can look in the description below and you can find a link for the first 10 best crypto gaming projects. But before I show you the projects, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing into anything. So the first project, it's called Playbull Games, and this is one of the newer projects. They have 21,000 followers. They also have a pretty strong community, and Playbull Games is gaming published that compatible, and Playbull Games is gaming publisher that combines PC games with crypto. They offer high quality games through the Epic Games store where players can earn and use their Bull tokens. And if we look at their tokenomics system, as you can see, each token costs less than a penny, 0.007 cents, and their circulation supply is almost 7 billion. If we scroll down, as you can see, all times high, it was 6 days ago, it was only cent. And then if we look at all times low, as you can see, it was 0.0002. So I think this project also has a huge potential to grow easy 10, 20, maybe even 50 to 100x. Then let's take a look at project number 2. It's called CHAMPZ Games. CHAMPZ is a mobile gaming company known for its game CHAMPZ Defense, and CHAMPZ focus on creating gaming community with interactive battle and tournament, combining traditional gaming with the Web3 benefits of ownership and rewards. They also have a strong community. They have a Linktree website and much more you can find about this project. And if we look at their token, because this is what we're focusing on, tokens, as you can see at the time of recording this video, their tokens are just a fraction of a penny, 0.0002. If we scroll down, as you can see, from all times low, 1100 up, but almost 100% down from all times high. So I think this project still has a huge potential. But this project has a lot of tokens. This kind of reminds me of Shiba tokenomics, but still, I think there is a reason why they created such a huge supply. And then the third project, it's called Cornicopia Game. This is my actually favorite project. Cornicopia Game is MMORPG. Players can show their skills as traders, artisans, entrepreneurs. The game includes challenging mini games, opportunities to create and own digital assets, and mysterious storyline. So this is, I think, one of the best project out there, and it's definitely a hidden gem. I think this project can actually be top 10 of all Web3 games, and they have almost 50,000 followers. They have a Linktree, they already have a website, they actually already have a game. It's actually in beta right now. Only NFT holders have access to it, and you have to hold either some kind of NFT rarity or just a regular NFT to have access. This is really cool game. They have a huge and strong community. Founders, devs, they're always in a Discord, so you can always jump in, ask him questions, and they're constantly updating and creating YouTube videos about the project. And if we're gonna look at their tokenomics system, as you can see at the time of recording, each token is 11 cents, and circulation supply is 835 millions, and the total supply is almost 4 billion. So like I said earlier, this project is probably one of the best metaverse / Web3 gaming project. I can see this project doing easily like Sandbox or Decentraland. So this project, even from here, can probably do 10 to 100x easy. And if we scroll down, as you can see, all times low was penny almost a year ago, and all times high was 13 cents. So this project has a huge potential and a lot of room to grow. And then project number 4, it's called Katana Inu. It's a play to earn battle royale game with a high-end graphics and realistic visual where players can mint 3D characters and weapons as NFT. It includes elements like loot box, hunting, and marketplace for selling items, plus monthly tournament. And they also have a really good community. They have Telegram channel, you can mint live. I guess this is like the loot boxes. They have Discord, website, and much more. But let's look at their tokenomics system. And at the time of recording this video, their price is 0.001. Circulation supply 26 billion. If we scroll down, all times high it was 0.009, almost a penny, and all times low it was 0.001. So again, I think this project still has a lot of room to grow with everything that they're building, with all the potentials. This is definitely another gem as well. And then project Metacade. Metacade is Web3 community hub designed for games and blockchain enthusiasts to interact, share ideas, and explore gamify culture. They offer a platform to connect with gamers, devs, entrepreneurs. Users can even earn Metacade tokens by interacting. They have a website, and at the time of recording this video, 37,000 followers on their Twitter. And as you can see from their pinned post, that they joined Neo Tokyo community. It's one of the biggest community out there for Web3 gaming. And let's look at their tokenomics. So tokenomics is 0.014, and then their circulation supply is 1.7 billions, and at the all times high it was 4.5 cents, and all times low half a penny. So again, I think this is also another project with a huge potential and a lot of room to grow. And project number 6, it's called GameSwift. So GameSwift is a gaming network which enables developers to reduce cost and increase contract speed with confidential computing. They offer a SDK infrastructure to both crypto and non-crypto gamers. Big community on their Twitter. They have a website, and then Linktree. You can find a lot about this project, and it's based on ZK EVM. And then if we look at their token, each token costs 61 cents, but circulation supply is actually really low, 56 millions. And then if we scroll down, all times high this project was 77 cents, and all times low 4 cents. So I think still this project at a very early stage, and it has a lot of room to grow and huge potentials. And then project number 7, it's called Voxies. Voxies is a tactics, it's a free 3D RPG drawing inspiration from classic games. They feature 2 main modes, exploration and battling. Voxies is developed by Always Geeky Games and prominent game development company. They have a link tree that you can find everything about this project, and they also have a big community on their Twitter. And then if we look at the tokens, so each token is 20 cents and circulation supply is 120 millions. And then if we scroll down, at all times high each token was $4.70, and all times low 12 cents. So this is actually, since all time high, this project is like 95% down. So I think it has a lot of room to grow and huge opportunities, especially since it's almost at the all times low and we're getting close to a bull run. This project will definitely fly. And then project number 8, it's called PlayZap Games. And PlayZap Games is a skill-driven competitive gaming platform. Their platform is offer games like Solitary, 21 card, and 8 pool. Players can compete in a form like daily leagues and PvP competitions. They have a website, they have a Telegram, and much more. And if we're gonna take a look at their tokenomics, each token is 34 cents, and their circulation supply is almost 40 millions. And if we scroll down, all times high was 56, low it was 3.5 cents. So it's kind of in the middle right now. This project is just picking up a lot of steam and gaining a lot of attention from Web3 communities, and I think it's gonna do well as well. Then project number 9, it's called Sinverse, and Sinverse is metaverse game focused on empire building within play to earn model. Their game allow players to buy and develop real estate to build own empire. Their goal is to become a place where players engage in exciting underground activities. They have decent amount of followers, and then they have Discord, Telegram, and the website. But we're focusing on their tokenomics, and if we look at their tokens, so at the time of recording, each token cost 1.1 penny, and circulation supply is a little over $500 million. And as you can see, at all times high, each token worth 71 cents. So an all times low of 0.002. So this project is pretty low sitting right now, and once it's gonna start picking up, I think this project can easily do 100x. And then the last project on my list, it's called Chimps, and this is a game where players guide young fungi in magical world, helping them grow and explore. The goal is to discover the secret of Arborethia and have amazing online adventures. and this looks like a very new and at early stage project, but they'll also have a link tree and the website, and you can find everything about the project. But we're gonna take a look at the tokens. So each token cost 0.003 cent, and if we scroll down, all times high was 0.006 and all times low 0.008. So again, this project haven't been in a run, and I think it also has a huge potential and a lot of room to grow. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about, I'm gonna leave links in the description below, and don't forget to check out video part number 1 where I talk about the other 10 top gaming projects for 2024. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.